Hello, hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create this super elegant welcome baby boy card. I've got 7 by 7 inches white card base and I decided to decorate it with a little bit of texture. So I'm going to use my embossing folder from Tattooed Lace. I absolutely love it. It is perfect for any occasion. So I'm going to create a panel 6 3/4 by 6 3/4 of an inch. And now I'm going to assemble it at the front of the card using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue. If you have never ever created a welcome baby card, I really hope you will give this one a go. It is super simple and elegant as well. All I use here is white and cream cardstock. Here I've got card making magic, octagon elegant nestables, cutting dice, and I use the biggest one with the cream card from Lidl. I absolutely love how it turned out. It is super elegant and just perfect for weddings, anniversaries, welcome baby cards, and also some very special occasions. So now I'm going to use my liquid glue. As you can see, I'm putting a tiny bit of glue on all the elements here. I absolutely encourage you to use whatever is in your stash because for today's project I use my older cutting dice, including cut making magic. I really like those elegant cutting dice and you can use them for literally any occasion. So they are super versatile. Here, as you can see, I'm using my liquid glue because I do have time to maneuver it if I make a mistake. And what's really good about it, it dries clear and it is a book binding glue. Do you have any cutting dies by Card Making Magic? And I'm also going to use some by Simply Made Crafts in a moment. So now I'm going to place it and it's a good idea to use a grid on your mat so you can make sure it is evenly spaced. Now I'm going to use Simply Made Crafts baby accessories die set and I created beautiful building blocks using that cutting die. And what's really good about any white card you've got in your stash, they actually have different shades and I really like it because this way you can make your card even more interesting. That's what I did here. I played with all the white cards I have in my stash. I also created a teddy bear and I'm going to add all the elements I cut using that cream card. And what's really good here, you can use some pokey tool to put all the pieces where you need it. And I'm using very special pencil today, just to make sure the small elements will be exactly where I wanted. And I got it from Craftstash last year, and I have to say that it is a game changer for smaller elements. So here I'm going to put a tiny bit of liquid glue, and I'm going to use my pencil. It is like sticky pencil, but it works perfectly fine. Have you ever used this tool before? If you haven't, it is absolutely amazing. And I'm pretty sure other brands also have it. I've got a scrap piece of card. I'm going to add color to smaller elements, including black and dark brown here. So we're going to have some variation, especially for the eyes and nose of a teddy bear. Have you ever created a card with a teddy bear image? If you have, how did you do it? Please let me know in the comments down below. Because recently I also saw some absolutely outstanding SVG files with teddy bears, and I'm really curious to try them out. If you have ever created one, please let me know in the comments down below. So here, as you can see, I'm using my pencil again, the sticky pencil, to put all the elements where I needed. And if you do have any excess of the glue, you can use a pokey tool to get rid of it. And that's what I'm going to do here. So when it dries, no one will ever see it. Really cool trick, especially for smaller elements. Have you ever created a card with lots of texture and elegant cutting dies? And if you do have your favorite nestable cutting die, please let me know in the comments down below because I would really like to have a look at it. And if you have ever created welcome baby cards, please share the link in the description down below so everyone can admire it. Now I'm going to put the block starting with A at the bottom of my card. And I really try to offset it a little bit because I think that will be a little bit more interesting on a card. So this card is super simple. It took me about 35 minutes with all the elements that I cut using my die cutting machine and also embossed panel. So I think it is very easy. Now I couldn't resist and I had to add a bow here. I thought that will give this card even more interest, especially when the cut is for a baby boy. And I decided to add a little bit of dimension to the teddy bear because why not? And I really wanted to create a bigger card size so there will be plenty of space to write the message inside as it is extremely special occasion. So I thought that would be a good idea. How often do you create 7 by 7 inches cards? Maybe you have your favorite different size card. Please let me know in the comments down below. And what's really good about double-sided foam adhesive, you can actually cut it to the size you want. That's why I really like it. I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing, and I'm going to add a few drops of liquid glue and adhere the teddy bear at the top of the blocks. So what do you think about this card so far? Now I'm going to use card making magic nested ovals fancy frames, and I've got two pieces here that I'm going to use. And with one of them, I actually printed the sentiment on a card and I die cut it with that nested ovals fancy frames. And I thought it would be a good idea to add some dimension to that as well. And I also have a onesie from Baby Accessories diced by Simply Made Crafts. And later on, I'm going to add one more detail to it because I thought let's make this card even more special and elegant. So as you can see, this card is super easy to create and very elegant as well. I absolutely love using embossing folders. I don't really have that many in my stash, but if you have some recommendations, I'm really open to suggestions. So, as you can see, I'm adding some double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension and interest. It is a shame that in the video you can't really see it, but in real life it really makes a difference. And if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe because I've got plenty of videos on my channel and there are plenty more coming your way very soon. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a massive thank you because I absolutely love reading all your comments. They always make my day. So now the sentiment is ready. It is in Polish, which says, Welcome, baby. And now I added a small heart at that onesie, and the card is nearly completed. But we also need the name of the boy. So I used the alphabet cutting die from my stash and I created the name. Super cool, right? I think personalizing your handmade cards it's one of the best things you can do. And here I thought which way the letters should go. Then I decided it should go on a straight line, but also make sure that it goes well with that beautiful fancy frame I've got here as well. So as you can see, I really wanted to make sure that the letter will fit on that cream cardstock. And I think I succeeded. So, what do you think about this card? Do you like it? Or maybe you would change something? I'm really curious. And what's really good when you use your liquid glue, you do have time to maneuver the elements, which is absolutely amazing. And the cut is complete. Here, I decided not to add any gems or pearls because I think the whole cut itself is enough. It stands proudly on a flat surface. And as I told you, there is plenty of space to write your message. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And please let me know if you like this cut as well. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye for now.